Hello, my name is Ana Paula Garcia Diaz, and my topic is about Disney parks. So for now, we have 6, and I will tell you where they are and which princess is the castle about. So the first one is in Anaheim, California, and the princess is Aurora from The Sleeping Beauty. This castle is the most important because it was the first one. The second one is in Orlando, Florida, and it's from Princess Cinderella. Before the castle was white and blue, but last year it accomplished 50 years of anniversary, so they changed its colors to blue, pink, and some golden details. The third castle is in Paris, and it's also from The Sleeping Beauty, Princess Aurora, and it has a dragon inside of it, and it's an attraction and it's amazing. Okay, the fourth castle is in Hong Kong, and it was the first castle being outside United States, and it's also about Princess Aurora from The Sleeping Beauty. Then we have one in Tokyo, and it's from Princess Cinderella, and the last one is in Shanghai, but that castle is in honor of every princess that Disney has. So for now we just have Princess Cinderella and Princess Aurora and another one for all the princesses. I wish that when they make another one they can do it for another princess. I've never been to any of them, but I would love to visit all of them and have a picture there. And well, all of them have different colors, different topics. Some of them have some walls with paintings, and they are amazing. So if you can go and visit, please do. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.